everyone, it's Tammy and I have an unboxing from Ipsy. I love seeing these pink packages come in the mail because I know that that means my Ipsy's here. Ooh, so for those of you that may not be familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is an online subscription for makeup and beauty products, I guess, and you get every month for $10 a makeup bag and 5 samples of beauty product. They are usually like sample sizes. So this has a little, I guess it's an L, which I don't know why because it's Ipsy, but it has an L, and then on this side I noticed it says Tetris. So I don't know. There we go. So an orange Tetris bag. I'm going to pull out everything because it feels like it's pretty full and I wanted to see the inside of the bag. So the inside of the bag is hot pink and it says Tetris and Ipsy. So it's really cute. Oh, this is one of the Tetris pieces. I get it. Here's Tetris pieces. This is a Tetris piece. All right. Took me a little minute. I don't play video games, but I know what Tetris is. So this says, welcome to the block party. And then it tells you a little bit about each one. So let's get started and look at each one. This is called Sugar. And it says Contour de Force Mini Blush in Peach Peak. Very pretty. Looks very neutral. Very nice. It says, on the go, anything from Sugar Cosmetics can help you look pulled together in an instant. This lightweight blush is super buildable, so you can go from a sheer wash of color to full-on flush. What's best? The Peachy Pink shade works on all skin tones. Swirl a blush brush onto the pan, tap against your sink to remove any excess powder, and dust blush onto the apples of your cheeks in a circular motion. So it's pretty cute. I like it. And I love the packaging. It has a little magnet closure. Very nice. And then it has this little, that's cute. And then I have Hey Honey Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Restores the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. So it says, Hey Honey infuses the antibacterial and antiseptic benefits of honey and propolis into their products. This pink antioxidant rich mask is made with vitamin E, wild berry oil, and honey to help protect skin, restore elasticity, and provide long-lasting hydration. Start with clean skin, apply an even layer, let sit for 10 to 20 minutes while it soaks into your skin, and then wipe off excess with a damp towel. So pretty cool. I will definitely try that. I love masks, and I like the little small ones that are kind of travel size. I'm not going to open it because I don't know when I'll be traveling, but I can take it with me wherever I go and use it on the road. So I like that. Next I have some Delectable Body Wash Body Polish in Triple Citrus Blend. I have some of their lotion that I'd gotten and I love it. Let's see if this is, it probably is closed too, yes. But this says, this double duty body polish cleanses and exfoliates in a single step. It's enriched with shea butter and antioxidant rich grapefruit, orange, and tangerine extracts to leave your skin soft, supple, and hydrated. And you can scrub away in clear conscience. It's vegan and cruelty free. Massage polish onto damp skin, focusing on dry areas like elbows and knees, and let the moisturizing properties soak into your skin for 30 seconds and then rinse. So really cute. I like the packaging too. I love their lotion, so I think I'm gonna like that too. And this is It's My Game Tetris Ipsy Eyeshadow. And it says it's in T-Spin. We partnered with iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. The metallic pewter, ooh, I love it, shadow is richly pigmented, creamy, and buildable for soft and smoky looks. Apply T-Spin all over your lids and then blend out using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Then use a damp angled eyeshadow brush to smudge it along your lower lash line. Oh, this is my kind of color. I love this. I love that kind of shimmer, and then I like the darker eyeshadows. So that is beautiful to me, and it is in the color T-Spin. This is my favorite in all of this. But I honestly, so far, I like it all, which is not something that happens very often. Ooh, and finally, I have a Tot Libre d'Orange. I don't know. And it says, I am trash. Okay, don't be fooled by its name. This fragrance might be made with upcycled apple essence, bitter orange, something strawberry, rose absolute, and cedarwood atlas, but it smells insanely fresh, and we love the brand's attitude, aesthetic, and overall cool vibe. Don't rub your wrists together after spritzing. It breaks down the scent and won't last long. Oh, okay. It does smell citrusy. It smells really, it smells nice. It's not, certainly not my favorite, but it's decent. I don't know that I would buy a big bottle of it. It's a little fruity, or a little florally for me. I like a little fruitier, maybe a little sweeter, but it's nice. I'll use it. And maybe I'll change my mind because it's already growing on me a little bit. Huh, nice. Okay, well, gosh, everything in this month's Ipsy is something I'm going to keep and will use. So that's fabulous. Makes me smile. And I hope that you guys like this. And check out Ipsy.com and maybe you'll like it too. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.